Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to download and install Dbeaver latest version on Fedora Linux 43. Then we will connect PostgreSQL and MySQL server. Open the default browser that comes with Fedora Linux, that is Firefox. Then go to Dbeaver official website, it is dbeaver.io. See here, Dbeaver community is a free open source database management tool for personal projects. Manage and explore SQL databases like MySQL, MariaDB, PostgreSQL and Apache family and more. And see here we have the two versions, community and Pro. Pro is the commercial version, community is the open source version. In this video I am going to download and install community edition. So click on download. See here the latest release at the time of making this video is 25.3. Scroll down. For Fedora Linux we have to download this Linux RPM package. So click on it to download. Wait a moment, download will be started. See, download started and its size is 119 megabytes. See, download completed. Now open terminal. Now go to downloads, cd, downloads, ls. See here we have the Dbeaver RPM package. You have to install it. Sudo rpm -ivh -nodeps, then Dbeaver, then press the tab from your keyboard to autofill, enter file name, hit enter, provide the password of the sudo user, hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Now we will connect PostgreSQL and MySQL server from the Dbeaver. Go to applications. See here we have the Dbeaver CE means community edition. Click on it to open. ls, this file is not required. rm Dbeaver. We have cleared the space. Okay. Close this one. I don't want to create sample database. Click on no. See, we got the Dbeaver 25.3. Now connect to PostgreSQL server. Click on new database connection or go to database and select new database connection, both are same. Then select the PostgreSQL. I have already installed PostgreSQL and MySQL on Fedora Linux 43. If you want, you can search for my YouTube channel how to install. Click on next. Provide the host name where the PostgreSQL is installed. I have installed on this one, port number 5432. Then provide the username that is there in this PostgreSQL server. Then provide the password of this user. Then click on test connection. Click on this download for download PostgreSQL driver files. See, successfully connected to PostgreSQL server 18.1. Click on one. Click on OK. Then click on finish. Expand the connection. Expand databases. See here we have the database. If you want to run the queries, right click. Then SQL editor. Then open SQL console. Now run the query. I have the table in this database customer. Let me expand. Expand schemas. Expand schema again. Tables. See here I have the table customer. Let us run the query against that table. Select star from customer. Select the query and click on execute. See, you got the output. Okay. This is the way to connect to PostgreSQL server. Now right click on this database connection. Then disconnect. Now delete the connection. See, it is disconnected because see here this disconnect is grayed out. Now delete the connection. See, I am deleting the connection, not the database. Okay. Read this one more time and click on yes. Now connect to MySQL server. Go to database, new database connection. Then select MySQL. Then click on next. MySQL is also installed on this one. I have the database bank in this also. I have the user root. Then provide the password of this root account. Then click on test connection. Click on download. See, this is the expected error. Okay. Then if you receive that public key retrieval error, just come to this driver properties. Then see here allow public key retrieval. By default it is false. Change it to true. Then click on test connection. See, successfully connected to MySQL server 8.4.8. Click on OK. Click on finish. See, you got the connection. Expand it. Expand databases. See here we have this database users. See here we have these users. Same way if you want to run queries, right click, then SQL editor, then open SQL console. Now we can run the queries. See here by default it has selected bank. You can run the queries. Select, expand tables. See here we have the table customer. Select star from customer. Select the query. Click on execute. So you got the output. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Dbeaver latest version 25.3 on Fedora Linux 43. Then we have seen how to connect PostgreSQL and MySQL server from the Dbeaver. Okay. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.